Hello friend, welcome back to new video. Today we have discussed about most expected question of AKTU examination. The subject is compiler design and which code is BCS 602. In this video we have discussed about all important question, theory based question. So let's start the video. Here the first question is explain in detail the process of compilation. Explain in detail the process of compilation for the statement a equal to b plus c into 70. And here the next question is define bootstrapping with the help of an example. And the next question is what do you mean by regression? Write the formal recursive definition of regular expression. And the next question is differentiate between DFA and NFA with an example. Discuss conversion of NFA and DFA. Also give the algorithm based used in conversion. And the next question is construct NFA and DFA for following regular expression 0 plus 1 into 0 0 plus 1 1 into 0 plus 1 का whole asterisk. And here the next question is explain term, token, lexem and pattern. The last question of unit first, describe about grammar, ambiguity grammar and also define parsed tree. And let's start the second unit. What is the parser? Write the role of parser. What are the most popular techniques used? And the next question is find the precedent and functional table of the following grammar by using operator precedent techniques. P tends to SR oblique S, R tends to BSR oblique BS, S tends to WBS oblique W, W tends to L into W oblique L, or L tends to ID. Here the next question is write a short note on top-down parsing. What are the top-down parsing techniques and also differ between top-down and bottom-up parser. The next question is explain SLR parsing technique. Also write the algorithm to connect SLR parsing table. And the last question of second unit, give the algorithm for construction of conical LR parsing table. Also give the algorithm for construction LA LR parsing table. Let's see the unit number 3rd. First question is explain attributes. What are the synthesized and inherited attributes? What is the difference between S attributed and L attributed definition? And the next question is what do you syntax tree? What are the rules to construct syntax tree for an expression? And the next question is explain translation scheme for Boolean expression, also defined as postfix translation and procedure. Call with example. And the last question of unit 3rd, explain declarative statement with example. And let's start the unit number 4, discuss symbol tree with its capabilities. What is the symbol table? Explain various data structure used for symbol table and also consider its entries. And the next question is write a short note on scoping, also difference between static and dynamic scope. And the next question is difference between static allocation and heap allocation. The last question of unit 4, define error recovery, its types and what are the properties of error message. Also suggest methods for recovery and error. And let's start the unit 5. What is the code generation? Discuss the design issues of code generation. The next question is discuss address in the target code. The next question is explain flow graph with example. What is the loop? Explain what constitutes a loop in a flow graph. The next question is what are the different issues in code optimization? Explain with proper example. And the next one is, what are the code optimization? Discuss the classification of code optimization. Explain in detail what about loop optimization. The next question is, what is the DAG? What are its advantages in context of optimization, and also consider advantages and disadvantages of DAG. And here the last question of the unit 5th. Write a short note on global data flow analysis and loop controlling and loop. In this video we have discussed about only theory based question. If you want to numerical question, then you have comment, then I will consider to make the numerical question. Thank you, bye bye, wish you all the best.